Mad thing setting, you go a next way. Blue lights are behind, it's a fed chase. Out here when I like leg day, them can't stop the boy when man set pace. Me I feel that swimming things, man I left chase. If I got caught, then it would have been the next case. No say head off in the next place, got picked up, now I hit to see her next day. Mad thing setting, you go a next way. Blue lights are behind, it's a fed chase. Out here when I like leg day, them can't stop the boy when man set pace. Me I feel that swimming things, man I left chase. If I got caught, then it would have been the next case. No say head off in the next place, got picked up, now I hit to see her next day. Jumped in the car to go and link some things. I was going out with bro and some wingman shit just to get some drinks. I should've trusted him, I got feeling for some reason and kept my black ass in. But I couldn't just leave man hanging, that's a mad thing, so I said I would wing. 2 minutes later, we was up in the whip just holding a vibe. In the whip playing unknown T, MAB with a car behind. Next minute all I seen is lights, both put his foot down and hit the next right. The next red car came in from but didn't do shit, so I thought we were alright. To tell me when this guy starts crashing, cars off foot, so now I'm in the mudders. Had to jump out the car and leg it. I ain't the one there catching, bro had the fuse so I stashed it. SK, round here's hot. The driver don't wanna stop, but holy but please that somebody got dropped. Drop, dodge, now me have to get out the car and run. Car this boy crash like I need that, with a handful of drop. Mad thing setting, you go a next way. Blue lights are behind, it's a fed chase. Out here when I like leg day, them can't stop the boy when man set pace. Me off with that swimming things, man I left trace. If I got caught, then it would have been the next case. No say head off in the next place, got picked up, now I hit to see her next day. Mad thing setting, you go a next way. Blue lights are behind, it's a fed chase. Out here when I like leg day, them can't stop the boy when man set pace. Me off with that swimming things, man I left trace. If I got caught, then it would have been the next case. No say head off in the next place, got picked up, now I hit to see her next day. I've been gone for a minute now, listen, I'm back with a plan and a vision and you ain't gonna